Imagine being able to generate a clean, high-converting webinar registration form in minutes, not by designing everything from scratch, but by using one structured prompt inside ChatGPT. Not just a layout, but a complete system with headline, form fields, CTA, trust elements, and even design guidance ready to recreate inside Canva. That's exactly what this prompt is designed to do. What you're looking at here is a conversion-focused prompt built specifically to generate a webinar registration form from start to finish. It doesn't just give you ideas, it builds an entire form structure optimized to get signups. Inside this prompt, there are two types of bracketed elements you need to understand. The first type are customizable variables. These are the highlighted yellow parts like webinar title, CTA text, date, time, platform, and brand colors. These are the only parts you need to edit depending on your webinar. The second type are instructional brackets. These are not meant to be changed. They exist to guide ChatGPT so it knows exactly what kind of output to generate, how to structure the form, and how to keep everything conversion focused. Now, starting with the role section, this is where you define what ChatGPT is supposed to be. In this case, it's assigned as a conversion-focused marketing designer and UX strategist. The purpose of this is to make the AI think like someone whose job is to maximize signups, not just make something look good. Next is the task section, and this is where you define what you want to create, which is a clean, modern registration form design for a webinar. Notice how specific it is. This prevents generic outputs and keeps everything aligned with your goal. Then we move to the goals section. This tells ChatGPT what success looks like, which is maximizing signups. This is important because it shifts the output from design-focused to results-focused. After that comes the constraints section. This is where you control how the form is designed. You're defining the platform, which is Canva AI, the style, which is minimal and professional, the format, which is vertical for landing pages or social media, and even the tone, which is beginner-friendly and inspiring. This is what ensures the output is actually usable and not overly complex. Then we get into the most important part, the structured elements. The header section defines the main attention grabber, your webinar title and subheadline. This is what makes people stop and read. The visual elements section adds placeholders and icons, ensuring your design doesn't look empty and giving you direction when building inside Canva. Next are the form fields, where you collect the actual data like name and email, with optional fields like experience level or learning goals. The purpose here is to balance simplicity and personalization. Then comes the CTA section, which is where conversions happen. You define the button text and add urgency like limited slots or closing soon. This is what pushes people to take action. After that are the trust builders, which are small but powerful, simple lines like no experience needed, reduce hesitation, and increase signups. And finally, the footer, where you place important details like date, time, platform, and optional replay availability. These are the details that remove uncertainty and answer final questions before someone registers. Now, if you want the exact prompt shown in this video, I'll place it in the pinned comments below, so you can copy it, customize the highlighted parts, and generate your own registration form instantly. And if you want to learn how to actually build this inside Canva step by step, I'll include the full tutorial there as well. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. So when you put everything together, this isn't just a prompt that creates a form layout, it creates a complete registration system that's structured, conversion-focused, and ready to design inside Canva. Once you understand how to use prompts like this, you're no longer guessing what to design. You're directing the outcome from the start. That's the difference between random design and intentional design.